Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I have a surprise for today. You guys know I get the journal junk box. They send it over for review on the channel. Today we have a mystery box advent. Let's get into it and check it out. This is the mystery box Countdown to Christmas from Journal Junk Box. It is $49.99 on their site. They did send it over for review. I will put a link with my code Catherine Love down below that will get you 15% off your first box. But this is going to be a mystery box countdown to Christmas. So we are going to have 24 wrapped products in here. That is so exciting. You guys know I love Advents. I didn't really do any for the channel this year because there's just been so much going on, but oh my goodness. It looks amazing right from the start. When you open it up, that's what it looks like. And each package has a sticker on it with the number. So let's just dig right in. You guys know I am a journal, sticker, pen, ephemera kind of girl. I love using it for journaling. It's perfect for scrapbooking or card making, any crafts that you do. Okay, we're gonna dig right in. We're gonna start at 1 and work our way through to 24. There is number 1. Let's see what it is. It feels like maybe washi tape. I hate to just rip into these because they are so stinking, oh, it's not, so adorable. This is a Versacolor green tea, water-based pigment ink pad, yeah. So this is a little stamping ink, which in my last box, I had these plastic things and I was like, I have no idea what I'm doing with these. And so many of you guys were like, okay, those are stamps, just attach them to a piece of wood. And yeah, I didn't even think about that. Number 2, let's see what we have. I love Advents and countdowns. I'm kind of regretting now that I didn't do more. This is Mittens and Mistletoe. 54 tags. What perfect timing. How cute is that? The back shows us everything that's going to be in here. Open this up real quick and take a look, but with 24, I can't linger too much. This definitely needs to open it because I have started wrapping Christmas gifts. Open it up. That's what it looks like. That's what the fronts look like. And you can see that's what, oops. And that's what the backs look like. So we have 54 tags. Day 3, that's what it looks like. I love these little bags she's put them in. This is so much fun. Oh my gosh. What is this? I think it might just be a plaque. It says Just Jingle. Let's check it out. It's like a little wooden ornament plaque type situation. I think probably ornament. And it says Just Jingle and it looks like it's wood. That is so cute. It says Face-to-Face Designs Just Jingle Wood Ornament. So there you go. Next out we have washi tape. It is like pine cones with like fir needles, and the other one is like a sage green with stars. Those are so cute. They're perfect here at Christmas time, or if you do journaling and scrapbooking, and this one you could use if you go camping or something like that. So many great ideas. If you have any questions about any of this, because I know I am going really quickly because we have 24, but if you have any questions, just let me know. Ooh, next out we have little clips. We have talked about these in the past when I get them in the box. I love these things. I love them for holding papers together, for keeping my place in books. I use them in the kitchen. I've even used these little ones, like if you open up a bag of pasta or a little bag of chips or chocolate chips for making chocolate chip cookies, and if you don't use them all, but you're going to use them soon, so you don't want to put them in Tupperware, they're perfect for that. So many things you can do with these other than just journaling. And day 6, this is what we have. Look, she put little stickers on them, so they have the days in them. They weren't in order in the box. I did take a minute and pull them out and put them in order to expedite this a little bit. It was so sweet of her to send this over. This is Mistletoe and Mittens 62 enamel dots. These are so pretty. I hope I can do them justice. They're puffy and they're kind of clear on top, but underneath, most of what's done is done in a metallic stamp. Those are so pretty. That will be gorgeous. Those will be gorgeous bullet points in my journal. I can see those already. Day 7. Ooh, she's big and she's heavy. That is what that looks like. Ooh, it's a book. Heartfelt notepad. I love this brand. I love the open backs so that when you use them, they lay flat. I love that. This is perfect for like taking your Christmas notes, who's bringing what to the holidays, and see what I mean? So you're gonna use it like this because the lines go like that, but it'll lay flat. So when you do your writing, like if you wanna write up top or on the bottom, I love that. And the little elastic to keep it closed. So if you wanna throw it in a tote bag or your purse and not have it opening. Look, the back is pretty too. This is so awesome. Have day 8. That is what it looks like. I will put, if you've gotten this far, you already know and you've made the decision. I have put a spoiler alert, I'm sure, in my title and on my thumbnail. This is, what is this? Oh, I think it's cards. We have envelopes and we have 3 cards. Oops. That is what they look like. So you could take, this is what we're always talking about. You could take this and take all of the stickers and the ephemera and everything that you've gotten through the year, and you could doll this up with words, Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, all the words you want to use all over it, and then you can write on the inside. We have that. We have this one. Oh, it stars on the back that looks like Christmas. And this one, which is floral and it has holly in it. And you can add decorations however you want. And then we have 3 envelopes to put them in. That is fun. Okay, next up we have day 9. If I have made a mistake, and this is day 6, apologies. But the 6 and the 9 looked very much alike, and I decided this looked most like a 9. Ooh, this is sticky notes. And it's the days of the week. They're like little, I imagine, like Post-its. And it has Monday through Sunday. And then this one down here in the corner says Fun Day. So you have an option. That is so fun. And if you wanted to, if it fit by chance, there are a lot of whole options on the side. You could put it in your journal or whatever kind of book you use. Fun, fun, fun. Day 10. Ooh, dimensional embellishments, and they're just ornaments. They look like wax seals. These would be so pretty on the back of a card that you're going to give someone just where you seal it. You know, like papyrus gives you cute little gold stickers. You could use these in much the same way or in any way you like. Those are very pretty. Day 11. Little reindeer with an 11 on it. We have journaling cards. There's 20 pieces. I love that these are square. That is what they look like. They are so pretty. You can just tape them in however you want, or you can make it so that you can move them over, up or down, so you can write on the back. Those are the designs. So fun. Day 12. How many times? Should be one of those drinking games where every time I say fun or cute, you drink. You probably would not make it to the end of this video. Day 12. I have it open and I still don't know what we have. It's something, oh, you do, because I was showing you guys. It is a straw and a cleaner in a canvas bag. That's what we have. It is a metal straw, and the cleaner that you would need has a little fuzzy to get it clean on the bottom. It's in its own little bag, so you can put it again in your purse or your tote bag or inside your jacket pocket, wherever you want it. That is very handy. Next we have number 13. Santa hat 13, so it can't be bad luck. These are stamps. And you can attach them to a wood piece. You can get them at like Michael's or wherever you would want. And then you have pretty little stamps. You could technically try and get the top done and then flip it maybe with tweezers without even attaching them. But we have poinsettias and fur and snowflakes, and it says Holiday Magic, wishing you a magical holiday season. Very cool. Day number 14, and we have 24 days. Make it colorful, colored pencils. Always handy around here. I like them. I love to do it in my journaling. Like if I stamp a picture and I want to color it in, they are perfect for that, because I find some markers, especially if I'm doing it in my journaling books, make the page feel almost wet or bleed through. Maybe it's because I press too hard, but I prefer coloring pencils for that. And plus the girls like them too. Day 15, we have, ooh, stickers. Warm Wishes, 135 piece, and these are puffy stickers. It's got numbers and words and sayings on it. Those are so pretty. And look, I love this. It shows you their planner on the back. So it says December, and you can see how they've put them in their planner or journaling book, whatever they've used. But whenever I say you can use them to, you know, bring your eyes to something you want to remember or annotate something, they are very handy for that. Day 16. This would be so fun to do as a countdown to Christmas. Just one a day. It would be a blast. We have 50 pieces, evergreen and holly embellishments. And the thing that is great about these is for, like, if you're a scrapbooker, if you're taking all your pictures during Christmas, you're not doing those pages until later in winter or into the spring. So you don't mind getting these kinds of things through the season. You'll still get them used. Day 17. This is 16 sticker tabs that you can use in your planner. That is what they look like. I am not positive how you use it. Perhaps you take this and bend it over the edge of the page so that you end up with half in the front and half in the back. So then it has one of those tabs, like my first thought was like a Bible has, you know, it makes it easy to flip to. I think probably that's what that's for, but I will absolutely look it up because that is very cool. Day number 18. She's an even bigger one. Oh, I think it's a notebook. Let's get into this. That's very pretty. If you think about this as a 24-day countdown, that makes it just a skosh more, but about $2 per product. You can't beat that. This is a little notebook. It looks kind of holiday-esque, but it also kind of, other than the fact that that is a pink poinsettia, it looks just kind of preppy with the pink and the green. The inside is just empty, so you could sketch in it, draw in it, use your stickers in it, turn it into a little journal, anything you'd like. Day 19. I'm intrigued. Of course, I always do those things where I shake it up and it makes a sound and I think, ooh, was that the smartest idea? The answer was no. Everything seems fine, but it is premium bright watercolor paint set. And you can see, I don't think I did that. I think they had shaken loaves before, but none of them are broken. They are all absolutely fine. They just need to go. They're little buttons of color that you're gonna wet your brush, and you have a brush. It has a brush in here, so you're just gonna wet your brush and then dip it in that, just enough to get some color on, and you can watercolor in your journaling. I love this. Next out, number 20. We are in the home stretch now. We have a 4-count assorted highlighters. They're yellow, orange, pink, and purple. Always good for highlighters. Love highlighters. It says it's bright fluorescent ink, slim, sleek barrel design, chisel tip, smooth flowing. Ooh, number 21. They've gotten bigger and the paper has gotten thicker. This is a Vicky Bouton, maybe Bouton, but I'm gonna say Bouton, like, you know, you make a potato gratin. That's what I'm saying. And it's papers. It is a paper pad with 6x8 papers. There are 24 sheets. Let me take my little knife and get us into this. Ooh, pretty. So you can do for scrapbooking or tearing off pieces for your journal or anything you'd like with the fronts and the backs. See, that's the front of that one, but then that's the back. They're all gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Here's an overview of the 24 pages. Day 22. Ooh, she's even a little thick. All right, this has 3 of those pretty pens. I think this was in my November box. I'm gonna leave these in here, so if I want to pass them along, but these are super cool. I'm already writing with one of them, so I know they work well. Day 23, that is what that looks like. Ooh, it's soft. I just felt it, squeezing it to open it, and it's kind of soft. Christmas trees, free delivery. Oh, how cute that is. And it's got the little truck with the tree in the back. Have you guys seen the cooler kids, have you guys seen the TikTok with the guy that talks about all of the stuff he has with the truck and the tree in the back? It's adorable. That is so pretty. That's going downstairs over the edge of my oven just to be a decoration. I don't want to use it. I want to keep it pretty and white, but that is super fun. And last but never least, day 24, the night that Santa comes, you will have, it's very firm, feels like a board. Are you one of those people? Do you shake your presents trying to work out what they'll be like? It is Weekly Eats. It's a meal planner. How many times have we talked about it, guys? I love meal planners. I know that I spend less money at the grocery store and stay on track with eating better when I take the time to do a meal planner. So it's just, it works well in my life. When you open it up, Monday through Sunday, on the left-hand side, there's little boxes of what you're gonna eat. And then on this side, we have your to-buy list. That is so pretty. And it's a pretty kind of craft paper on the outside. And it says Meal Planner, Weekly Eats, Plan Shopping Trips and Meals. How fun was that? I hope that was as much fun for you guys as it was for me. I will put the link below in case you want to go over and check this out. I will try and find out in the next couple of days before I post this if you can buy just this, if you have to already be a member. I will put that information down below, but in this you have the meal planner, this adorable kitchen towel, the 3 pens with the diamonds up top, clearly not diamonds, but with the diamond look up top, the very pretty scrapbooking or journaling paper, however you want to use it. There's a million crafts. What kind of crafts do you guys do? We have highlighters and watercolors and stamps and colored pencils and a pretty, you can use it for anything, but it makes me think sketchbook when it's blank pads, pretty stickers. I think journal edges to make the tabs much easier. We have embellishments and a straw and more embellishments and stickers that you can use however you want, but I immediately think back of the envelope. We have like some 3M Post-it notes, this really cute little notebook, these stickers, which are one of my favorite stickers in here. We have the 3 cards that we can embellish however we want. You can use them like they are and just write a nice little note inside if that's what you want to. The clips, the washi tape. I feel like I'm running through this really well, just for the record. I'm gonna go ahead and pat myself on the back. The really cute little Just Jingle ornament, a green tea ink pad, and some Christmas tags. That is so cute and I think so worth it. Let me know what you guys think below. I will put all the information down below with the link and my code, Catherine Love, that'll get you 15% off your first box. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you guys taking the time to be here with me, and I hope I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out. Take care out there, guys. Bye.